Okay, it's like the 1-1-2-3 videoing my cat. Her name is Kitty. Or W. I'm just gonna pet her. Yeah, surprisingly she's not scratching me. See, the tail's flicking, which means she's really angry at me. Oh, there she goes. Oh no, you're not getting away from me. Let's see if she'll go and scratch me. Her name's Kitty, W, whatever you want to call her. She spotted something. Okay. Just circling around the cat. Let's get a close-up of that face. Look at that. Okay, let's see. That looks like a fox. I think I know. Kitty, kitty. Just meow. Come on, meow. That's so annoying. She never meows when it's like when you've got something. Let's get up close and personal. Oh, she looks like she's ready to pounce at the cameras. If she scratches us, she's dead. Because this is my mum's camera. She looks so like, what the hell's going on? Okay, that's enough of the view. Just gonna get up. Maybe I'll pick her up. Got her. Hey YouTube, this is Kitty. I like the 1-1-2-3's video. Yeah, that's me. Now I think I'm gonna eat. Yeah, she's gonna eat now. She must be really hungry if she's eating one. Okay, Kitty, I'll stop annoying you. That is the Kitty. Lacta 1-1-2-3's cat in action. Goodbye. Subscribe for more videos on the cat. Dun, 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 dun. The next video will be of an app on iPod. Just one last picture. Look at that face. Let's zoom up on the picture. Okay, so I have to see your face. Let's go. Cat. Norwegian Forest cat. Peace out. Back to 1-1-2-3. The cat.